Hello everyone, welcome back to Zoba Reviews. So recently, someone has commented on my previous video about wzatco yuva pro projector and how to clean the lens. So as you can see from the front, outside it looks clean, but when I play the image, like I see the dust particles has been accumulated inside it. So even though play this purely indoor, but the Bangalore test definitely attracts it more. And wherever you're staying, if you are in a city or if you are in a village or if you have a room full of desks, it's advisable to clean this projector once in a while to keep it more clear and have it operational properly. So I'm going to show you how to properly clean this projector and to clear up any kind of like you know like problems that you're facing with the cleaning. Do not try to open the complete projector, you don't need to do that. So I'm going to show you exactly how you have to clean it on regular basis and how to open it and how to clean it. Okay, so before you even start cleaning the projector, you need few things. A coin like this, a small screwdriver with a star, and a Q-tip, which is like you call it earbuds or Q-tip or whatever, a cleaning equipment. And you also need a air blower if you have some. So for this, I'm going to use my car air inflator. But if you don't have it, if you have something like uh, um, say a mobile blower or something a blower, you should not produce heat, you just need to blow. Okay, first you might see a cap here, and in the down you see the filter here. So first open up this. I have recently cleaned it, so it's going to be clean, but you might notice it after a couple of months that it has gathered a lot of dust. So it's advisable to clean this filter. So this is the filter. As you can see, it's still dusty. So one hack here, if you want it to be more if you stay in a place where it's a lot of dust in your place, I would suggest you to add a layer face mask or something, so that it will stop kind of whatever dust is coming up. So for this, I'm just going to it's going to be loud, so I'm really sorry for that, but I just want to show you. I'm really sorry if you have plugged in your earphones and it's too loud, but just wanted to show you how the dust will go. So you can clean it however you want. I'm just going to show you in this video. I'm not going to properly clean it. So this is how you have to clean the internal one. You can just either hit it with your finger and clean it, but be careful, do not break it. If you lose that filter, if it is damaged, try to use like a face mask, which you have surgical mask or something. You can place that and it might be able to filter out the dust particles as much as this filter can do. That is just jugaad, but giving an heads up for that. So now coming to this point, so I have really struggled to open this point for a very long time, because as per the instructions I have to turn it anti-clockwise. So but I almost damaged it. I almost opened the projector, but just realized that this has to be done clockwise. So as per the marking, I need to do it anti-clockwise, but I really need to do it clockwise. So you just need to turn it clockwise, it will open up. Now you might be able to see, I hope that you are able to see the dust on the panels. So the goal is to clean that. Don't use your hands, tissue or anything. That is just a dust, it's not a mark. So you might be able to blow it away, if you are unable to blow it, I'm going to show you first, but try to mute the video because reduce the volume. So I'm going to turn on the machine. It's going to be little loud. I don't want you guys to be blown with the sound. I'm turning it on. Right, so I was able to clean a bit of it, but not completely. So there is still stains. For that, I'm going to use a Q-tip. So Q-tip is what you have to use. Do not apply water, isopropyl alcohol, anything. You're going to damage it. It's just dust sitting on the glass, think like that. Just use that Q-tip to clean it. Much more advisable for anyone is turn on your projector, point out where the dust is and try to clean it so that you will be able to do it clearly. Since I'm not going to do it in this video, so it is fine for me this way. Right, so I was able to clean the dust. You can see that there is no marking of dust. There might be slightly down, so I'm going to clean that as well. You might not be able to notice much dust on this, but it's actually clean now. So yeah, so this is how you need to clean. Just have patience and try to clean it more. I'm going to do it after sorry for that, do it after this video. Hope this been helpful, and try to cover this as much as possible. Since my projector runs almost every day, I cannot do that. So this is my setup. I'm just going to show you my setup. So as you can see, this is my setup, and that's the silver screen, and I have my speaker system there. It's almost like a home theater for me, so I keep using that, using this tripod. So yeah, this is my setup. Hope you guys like this video and been helpful for cleaning your projector. Thanks guys. You can check out more videos about this projector in my channel. Thanks guys, bye.